Okay, I've done with my oil change and I want to reset the maintenance minder. So check it out here. This is the odometer trip button. So first of all, you have to reset the odometer trip on the screen. Then I will open the key and press the odometer trip for a while. Then the maintenance light will blink for some seconds. Then it will go off. That means the system has been reset. So I press it, I open the key. Okay, so I have to press it. This is trip B. Yes, now is the odometer. So I off the key again, press the odometer trip, then open the key. Okay, so again I press the odometer trip, off the key, then open it. Okay, now it's on trip A. So I off the key, I press the odometer trip, yes, trip A. Okay, odometer trip. So let's go. It's blinking. It's blinking. Yes, the system has been reset and it's finished. Okay, I've started. The maintenance light has no more there. The system has been reset successfully. Thank you. Bye bye.